Ngayon, yung sinabi mong pro-life campaign, yung anti-drug war, dating Pangulong Duterte, mali na yan. Hindi naman pro-life yun. Yun ay anti-drugs. And don't get me wrong, I am 100% in support of any anti-drug effort of the government. Talagang dapat sugpuin ang droga. Hulihin ng mga drug pusher, investigahan, bigyan ng kami ng araw sa korte, ikulong pag guilty. Bigyan ng life sentence, okay lang, pero huwag niyong papatayin. Pag pinatay niya, na walang paglilitis man lang, hindi pro-life yun. Ang pro-life is protection of life from conception to its natural termination. Pero yung ginagawang summary execution, hindi tama yun. Kung yung bata ay hindi naman pala lulun na bisyo, hindi na magsasabi nun. Kung pinatay ng ninyo. Yung paglilitis na ginagawa kay dating Pangulo, dapat lang. Pero I cannot judge him wrong, and you should not let the courts decide whether he's guilty or not of violating human rights. Sinabi ni Senate President Cayetano niya, pro-life campaign ko. Pro-life campaign, patay dito, patay doon. Pinagmamalaki pa ninyo, ilan na pinatay ninyo. Pinagmamalaki, hindi ilan na pinatay. Ubusin man ninyo, patayin nyo lahat ng mga drug addicts ngayon. Kung wala namang corresponding campaign to rehabilitate, to educate, and to give the people a better life. Pagiging tuloy-tuloy yan.